Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and today I want to just give a special thanks to all my current subscribers and to everyone who has watched my videos over the years. I really appreciate the Land Cruiser community and the Overland community, and it really gave me a lot of inspiration, all the support that I got to do the videos that I've done. So I wanted to thank you all and let you know that I hope you stick around while I pivot the channel in a slightly new direction. My kids have grown up a little bit. We don't quite have as much time to go camping and four-wheeling and things like that, but they're young teenage drivers now, and they would like to do some modifications to their cars. So I at least got them into the car hobby a little bit, and we're looking at doing modifications to my new car and their cars and just kind of make them a little bit cooler, maybe a little bit faster. And so we're pivoting the channel a little bit to a more of a car-focused modification, how-to kind of thing, and just share things that we learn along the way with you guys out there. So hopefully you guys will stick with us and check out our new videos that are coming out. They're going to be a little bit different, but I think they'll still be entertaining for you. And just once again, thank you very much for all your support over the years. Oh yeah, forgot one thing. We still have a couple Tacomas in the mix, so you never know. We might do some projects that are related to those trucks, and you might find those interesting as well. And if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for alerts, and let us know if there's anything that you would like to see us do in the future. Thanks a lot.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.